Learning Zone. In this video, we are going to learn one more trick or a method of doing multiplications. We can say this as a Japanese method, or also we can say line method. It's nothing, just as we have learned in an Napier method that we have drawn the boxes. Here also we are going to draw the lanes and do the multiplication. Let's see without late. 23 into 12. So we are going to draw the two lanes and give a space and draw three lines as showing in the picture. Now we have a 1, 2. So let's draw in horizontal one lane and again give a space and draw the two lanes. So we have done a vertical lines 2 and 3 and horizontal lines 1 and 2. So now we have to make a dot or bubble it where we are getting a numbers like a horizontal and vertical lines joins together. You have to make a bubble on that. After the bubbling, as shown, make a parts like first part, second part and third part. In a 2 digits, we are making it into the 3 parts. So now let's count the part 1 dots. When we counted these dots which is in part 1, we get 6. Let's put it down 6. Now let's see the part 2. In part 2 we have a 2 spots. Let's count all the bubbles. Then how much we got? We got a 7 dots. Let's put 7. Now we have a third part. Count the numbers. How many bubbles are there? 2 bubbles. So the product of 23 into 12 is 276, which is easy one, right? No need to think of like only the easy sums can do in this. No, we can do a bit big numbers also. Let's see example 2. 34 into 45. So it means first vertically let's draw 3 lines and give a space and draw 4 lines. Next work, let's draw the 4 horizontal lines and space and then 5 horizontal lines. We have completed drawing the vertical lines and horizontal lines. Now let's make a 3 parts. Part 1, part 2 which we get both the sides, and part 3. Let's count a part 1 bubbles. We got 20 bubbles. Can we write 20 in a ones place? No. So what we are going to do, let's put 20 0 here and 2 should be carried to the second part numbers. So just put a plus 2 over there. And now count all the bubbles which is in a part 2. We do get a 31 bubbles. And then we have a 2 more. What are those? Plus 2 which we carried out, right? Total it is 33. So let's put 3 here and 3 should be carried on. Let's count the third part once. And we got 12 bubbles over there. Plus 3, it's 15. So the final product of 34 into 45 is 1530. While learning this, please do observe the video properly so that you can understand in an easy way. I hope you got it. And please do try with the other numbers and let me know, are you getting a right answer or not. Thank you. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to Addy's Learning Zone.